Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and I'm showing you one more sofa set today, a 10-seater, one of the most popular designs in 10-seater, and it's again a concept set. When we talk about a concept, generally we don't uh, repeat the designs like a three-seater, a two-seater, a single-seater for the same design. Instead, we have a three-seater here, two chairs, and a divan here, and two open back settees. It also has a 42 inches square big table. I'll show you in a later part of the video. Let's talk about the set here. It's in teak wood. Teak wood is considered best for furniture because it has natural oils that protect it from termites and insects. So the wood is almost lifetime. The color that you see on this one is a triple shade color with the golden highlighting, and every carving part is highlighted with antique gold, not bright gold but antique gold to give it a subtle look. This set is light carved. It's not very heavy carved as per our standards because we are carving people and we love heavy carving. But this one is very subtle carving, light carving everywhere on the top, on the legs, on the front part, and overall a nice set wherever you want to keep it. This set is straight back. If you see the back part, generally our sofas are wing shaped. When you see this part of our sofas, they are wing shaped. This one is straight back. The size is 7 feet out and out. Back height is 45 inches, close to 4 feet. And front to back, this is 30 inches, 2.5 feet. Nice wide area and contemporary cushion with a nice suede fabric, 40 density cushion. The cushion is 40 density, so it's not very soft, not very hard, comfortable for sitting and very durable. It's done in three parts, just like your modern sofas, your fully cushioned sofas mostly you see. So this cushion is in three parts. If you wanted a single piece, that can also be done. And the best part about this one is the bolsters, the round pillows you see. If you see the old setups, generally where a royalty kind of or Shahi kind of setup is placed, mostly in the older videos or the movies you have seen, they place a big mattress and a lot of round pillows, just like the bolsters, to give it the Shahi, the Maharaja or the royal look. This set has got bolsters in every item. The three-seater, the chairs, divan, also in the open back settees. I'll sit on it. I'll show you how big and comfortable this set is. I'm sitting in a corner. I have cushion at my back, and still I've got plenty of space to sit here. I can remove the cushion, sit very comfortably here, and a nice sofa set for the comfort as well as the looks. The other thing about this sofa is the divan concept. Divan is generally one side inclined. So one side is higher, the other side is going down, and it's also known as day bed, chaise lounge, and the design is in symmetry to the entire unit. The legs are same and the back crown is same. Rest the design is in flow. The other part about this sofa set is the open back settees. Open back settee is a nice concept because it doesn't block your view. There is no back, and these units are same from both the sides. So I'm sitting here and the front part is quite clear. So if I have something there like a TV or a French window or a garden on the other side or something that I don't want to hide there, is clearly visible. Also, if we have a door that side and someone is walking in, entire set is visible from all the sides. You can see here, it's a clear view. So the design is not getting covered from any side, and that's the best part. The bolsters gives it the Shahi look. The three shaded color is the most liked color in recent times. In a lot of showrooms, local showrooms, you will find a similar shade, but this is done with high quality paint, so it lasts for a long time. I'll show you the table of this one now. The table I'm putting right in the middle and here. Thank you, Sandeep ji. It's 42 inches square with an open top. It'll require a glass here and on the lower part also. Once you place the glass, it is ready for use. Nice big table again in teak wood and a triple shade matching design with the sofa. The lower part you can see is similar to the carving we have on the sofa. Talking about other sizes, the divan again is 7 feet wide, left to right. The back height is a couple of inches shorter, 42 inches, and front to back, 30 inches. The chairs, I'll sit on the chair and I'll show you how nice the chair is when you sit on it. I'm sitting right here and you see how wide it is. This is 45 inches wide this way. Normal chairs are around 36, 3 feet. This is 45, more than that. And again the size is 30 inches, back height is 45. Moving on to the open back settee. This thing is good enough if you want it as a bed or ottoman. You can keep it in front of the bed, on the side of the bed, as a standalone unit, or you can use it as I remember one client used it for near the shoe rack where he ties his shoes. He kept something like this, and it's same from both the sides. So if I sit here or I sit on the other side, it's the same. So you can keep it this way or you can keep it the other way, wherever you want to keep it. The back is not there, so the look is quite clear from the back. If you want to change the setup, you want one settee or you want one chair, you want to change it to a two-seater, anyways you want, let us know, we can do that for you. We have got 700 videos on YouTube for different items, different colors, fabric shades, designs, and patterns, everything customized to the client's requirement. A lot of testimonial pictures we have on the website. That is one thing we have earned in so many years of hard working, because clients have received the stuff safely at their place. Once they have received it, placed it, they're happy with it. They took the picture, sent to us with a lot of blessings. And this is our fortune that we have earned in all these years. Aarsun is an international trademark in 35 countries because we are delivering stuff across the globe. This one is going to Goa in India, but out of India, if you require something, let us know. We can deliver there also. Every part of India, all part of India, home delivery. You contact us online on the phone numbers, on WhatsApp or Telegram or other mediums, like you can comment in the section below and you can let us know your requirement. We'll be happy to discuss it and provide you the pricing. If you like our work, please let us know. We'll be happy to hear a feedback. Always give a lot of confidence, and any criticism, if you don't like anything, we are open to that also. We'll be happy to hear from you. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.